Welcome back, children. Today we will continue with the same chapter. I will give you the new topic, that is dividing fractions by fractions. And how can you divide fraction by fraction? And some steps we need to follow there. And step 1 is find the reciprocal of the divisor. You know what is divisor, right? First you need to find the reciprocal of the divisor. After that you need to multiply the dividend and reciprocal of the divisor. You know how to find the reciprocal, right? We need to interchange the numerator and denominator of the fraction, then you will get the reciprocal of the fraction. And after that we need to simplify. Okay, did you get the steps? And first step is find the reciprocal of the divisor. After that you need to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. After, sometimes you need to simplify that answer also. Is it clear, children? I will tell you how to do this. And first one is, I will give you some problems. First one, 1 by 2 divided by 7 by 12. First step is what? First we need to find the reciprocal of the divisor. That I will show you. Okay, here divisor is what? 7 by 12. How can I find the reciprocal of the divisor? The reciprocal of the divisor is what? This one is the divisor. I will give. Okay, and it is the divisor. 7 by 12 is the divisor, and the reciprocal is what? 12 by 7. Okay, reciprocal is what? Reciprocal is 7 by 12 by 7. The reciprocal of 7 by 12 is 12 by 7. After that I need to multiply by the dividend. But here dividend is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into reciprocal of the divisor, that is 12 by 7, equals what? That is 1 into 12 equals 12 and divided by 2 into 7 equals 14. Before that I have told you, children, we can simplify from here itself. How can we simplify this fraction? Did you see any common factor in numerator and denominator? That is 2, right? And we can cut 2 and 2. See, 2 ones are 2, here 2 6 are 12. Okay, is it clear? We can simplify from here itself. Then that is easy for you for multiplication. And after the balance, this thing in the numerator is what? 1 into 6 equals 6 divided by 1 into 7 equals 7. 6 by 7 is the answer. Is it clear, children? And how can we do this? Find the reciprocal of the divisor first. After that I need to multiply the dividend and reciprocal of the divisor. Then you will get what? 6 by 7. I simplified from here itself because 2 is the common factor for numerator and denominator. Then I can divide numerator and denominator by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. The balance numbers are 1 into 6 equals 6, 1 into 7 equals 7. I will do the next one, that is 5 by 9 into reciprocal of the divisor is what? Reciprocal is what? 3 by 2. And what will I get? Here also, can we simplify from here itself, children? Can I? Okay, and here see, 3 is the common factor for numerator and denominator. How can we simplify? 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So, 5 into 1 divided by 3 into 2. Answer is what? 5 by 6. Is it clear? Okay, and the next one is 1 by 3 into what? The reciprocal of the divisor is what? 9 by 5. See this? Here also, can we divide? Did you see any common factor numerator and denominator? That is 3. How can we divide? 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. and the balance numbers are 1 into 3 equals 3 and 1 into 5 equals 5. That is the answer. Is it clear? And here also 1 by 4 is the dividend into reciprocal of the divisor is what? 8 by 3. And did you see any common factor for both numerator and denominator? That is 4. Yes, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the balance numbers are 1 into 2 equals 2, 1 into 3 equals 3. Lowest term. Is it clear? And the next one is 7 into 1 by 3, 7 divided by 1 by 3. How can I do this? 7 into reciprocal of the divisor is what? 3 by 1, that is 3 by 1. That is easy for you, nothing is in the denominator and you can multiply the numerator and write the answer only. 7 3s are 21 is the answer, because 21 divided by 1 equals what? 21 only. That's why answer is 21. Here also 4 by 5 into 10. The reciprocal of 10 is what? I have told you, right? 10. The reciprocal of 10 is what? 10 by 1 is this and 1 by 10 is the reciprocal of 10. Is it clear? How can we make the whole number into fraction? 10 divided by 1. Simply divided by 1. You will get it as one fraction, right? And 10 by 1 is one fraction. The reciprocal is what? 1 by 10. And I need to multiply by 1 by 10. Did you see any common factor for numerator and denominator here? Yes, that is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. After that you need to multiply and write the balance numbers. 2 1s are 2 and here 5 only, right? 5 5s are 25. Okay, is it clear? And the next one, 8 into. The reciprocal of this one is 6 by 1. And here also the denominator is 1. That is easy for you. 8 6 are 48. 48 by 1 equals what? 48 itself. Okay. And the next one is 1 by 6 into 1 by 3. Is the reciprocal of 3, right? Okay. And after that, did you see any common factor for numerator and denominator? No. See, well, here 6 and 3 both are in the denominators only. So you can multiply simply and write the answer here. 1 into 6, 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 equals 1 by 18 only. Okay. And is it easy, children? Okay. And homework questions are 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. You need to find the reciprocal of the divisor. After that you need to multiply, you will get the answer. Sometimes you need to simplify that also. You need to find the common factor for numerator and denominator. After that we can cancel that common factors, right? Okay. And here also 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. You need to find the reciprocal of 1 by 4. After that you need to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Here also you do the same method only, right? Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.